In this video, we are going to unbox the Boya BY-XM6 wireless microphone. So basically, let me tell you the story. So I was looking through Amazon, they were having a sale, and I was thinking that my camera does not have a proper audio solution. So I thought that let's get a wireless mic. But I saw through Amazon, and the best selling wireless microphone was a Rode microphone, and it was so much expensive. Oh my god. So I thought, let's get the Boya one. I looked up a lot of reviews, but now it's time for me to actually make a unboxing and review video. So let's get the unboxing started, guys. So this comes with a this is so far so good. So it comes like this. These are all the manuals that nobody reads. One of the good things about this wireless package is that it also comes with a lavalier set. So I'll show you people the lavalier that it comes with first. So this is the bag that I got. This is the bag that they give from Boya. So this is the bag, leather bag, nice quality. I see a receiver and a transmitter. So this is the receiver and the transmitter. So this one is the RX is the receiver and the TX is the transmitter. And it also comes with TRS cables to connect to the DSLR camera. And it also comes with the 3.5 mm cable to connect with your mobile phones. And it also comes with USB Type-C cable. That is beautiful, USB Type-C cable. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach the RX. This is the RX receiver. I'm going to attach the RX receiver on my t-shirt. Wow, looks sleek. And if you don't want to keep the receiver in your t-shirt, you can definitely use a lavalier mic option that they have. So this is a lavalier mic option, and you can insert the Sorry, I was holding the receiver. These are identical. These two units are very identical. So in the transmitter, you have to insert this lavalier set, and you're ready to go. You can keep it inside your pocket. And no need to carry this in your t-shirt. So now I'm going to attach the receiver on my camera, and we're going to test out the audio. So let's get the party started. So guys, I have attached the Boya mic on my t-shirt right now, and I'm going to give you people a review. Actually, you people can check it out for yourself. So the mic is attached on my t-shirt, and I'm now going to walk away, and you people are going to judge whether audio is coming clearly or not. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and I'm almost 6 feet away from the camera, and you people can judge if the audio is coming clearly or not. So I'll tell you people what's in my studio. So there is a fan that is running, so the noise from the fan might come. So yeah, that was with the windscreen on. I thought of applying the windscreen on because there is some wind in my room right now. And after this, I'm going to attach the lavalier mic and give you people a review of the audio quality, and you people will judge whether it is good or bad. Okay guys, now I have the lavalier mic attached to the transmitter of the Boya. So let us check the audio quality. So I'm going to walk back. So now I am talking from the Boya mic. Hello, mic test 1 2 3, and we have an obstacle, that is this gaming chair in front of us. So this will give us a view of the audio quality in case an obstacle comes in front of us. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. I'm now standing in front of the treadmill. Let me know if the audio is cutting. Hello guys, I hope you all are having a great day. Welcome to the unboxing and review of Boya wireless microphone. That is the audio quality from the lavalier mic. What do you guys think? So guys, here is my honest impression or honest review of using the Boya wireless mic for the first time. I think for the price point that it is being launched by the company, I think it's a great option. If you have a budget, you should go for the S2 model where you get 2 transmitters, so you can use it for doing a podcast. Let's say there are two people sitting on the chair, so there can be two people who can do the podcast. And I think honestly it's value for money, because this is a direct competitor to the Rode Wireless, and I think the Rode Wireless is too much expensive at 25,000 rupees, and compared to that, this Boya, you can get it around 10,000 rupees depending on the offer and the online store that you are getting from. But I think it's a good thing, and the plus point is that it comes with a lavalier, it comes with a wind puff, and I think it's good. And it also comes with a good bag, leather bag, which I really like. So all in one, I really like the packaging. I like the product. It's the first impression, so I have to use it over the coming weeks to get a full idea how it's actually performing in real life and under other extreme conditions. Maybe I would go out in the streets and check it out. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more unboxing videos, and also if you want to watch vlogs, I also do vlogs if I go out travel. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you people later. Bye bye. Love you all.